Ecommerce app notification testing methodology. With 100 bugs. Issues in push notification and notification errors could be costly for your e-commerce business. Uncover the hidden bugs, protect your revenue and user engagement before it's too late with comprehensive testing. Let's learn mobile app push notification testing best practices. Then let's know about handling of payment failure notifications during mobile testing. Next to that, let's check how to test SMS notifications. Then let's get familiar with critical issues with push notifications. Next, find the list of 100 critical issues with push notifications. Best practices for real-time notification testing. Effective real-time notification testing is crucial for delivering high-quality user experiences in mobile applications. Below are the best practices, with easy reference. 1. Early and regular testing. Test early and often. Integrate notification testing early in the development cycle and repeat it regularly to identify potential issues. Early testing helps in detecting problems before they become critical. 2. Use real-world scenarios. Simulate real-world settings. Simulate real-world use cases and settings to ensure that notifications function correctly in real-world conditions. This approach helps to validate how notifications behave under different circumstances. 3. Monitor user feedback, collect and analyze feedback. Regularly gather user feedback on notification experiences. Analyzing this feedback helps in identifying areas for improvement and ensuring notifications are meeting user expectations. 4. Optimize for performance. Review and adjust delivery techniques. Periodically review and optimize notification delivery techniques to minimize latency and resource utilization. Ensuring efficient delivery of notifications enhances the overall performance. 5. Ensure compliance. Adhere to privacy legislation. Stay updated with privacy laws and ensure that notifications comply with data protection regulations. This is crucial for maintaining user trust and avoiding legal issues. 6. Comprehensive regression testing. Conduct regression testing after updates. Perform regression testing after every update or modification to ensure that new features or fixes do not negatively impact existing notification functionality. 7. Collaboration with development teams. Understand back-end system changes and retest. 8. Real device testing. Test on actual devices. While simulators and emulators are useful, always test notifications on real devices to identify device-specific issues. 9. Challenges and solutions. Following are the most common challenges. 1. Network variability. Test notifications under various network conditions. Next one is handling large volumes. Another one is user permission issues. Next one is cross-platform consistency. After that, another one is security concerns. 10. Key takeaways. Testing real-time notifications in mobile apps is a challenging but essential process to ensure a high-quality user experience. By following these best practices and addressing the outlined challenges, you can validate and optimize notifications for reliability, performance, and user engagement. Comprehensive testing ensures that notifications enhance the overall app experience, contributing to user satisfaction and supporting business objectives. Mobile app push notification testing best practices. Push notifications are a powerful tool for user engagement, delivering timely information and enhancing overall user experience in mobile apps. However, to ensure their effectiveness, push notifications must be tested thoroughly for accuracy, timeliness, and app performance impact. 2. Defining objectives for push notifications, which are user engagement, information delivery, or promotion effectiveness. 3. Testing notification delivery and timeliness. Instant delivery. Verify that notifications are delivered within seconds of being triggered. Scheduled notifications. Ensure alerts are sent on time, considering time zones and daylight saving. Network variations. Test under different network conditions, 3G, 4G, 5G, Wi-Fi and offline, to confirm consistent delivery. Verifying notification content and formatting for content accuracy, formatting consistency, and actionable elements. Cross-platform and device compatibility for device compatibility and operating system variations. As explained below. Simulating user interactions. Test notifications with the app in forefront, background, or closed. Assess how the app handles dismissal, opening, and engagement. Next one is testing of setting and managing permissions. Test alerts with granted, denied, and toggled permissions. Next is testing notification performance. Test impact of high-volume notifications on app performance. Next one is ensuring localization and personalization. After that follows implementing security testing for data encryption and privacy compliance. Monitoring and analyzing notification metrics for delivery and open rates, and collect user feedback. Next one is regression testing after any updates to notifications. After that, use automated tools to streamline testing across scenarios like high-volume notifications. Addressing following common challenges in push notification testing. First one is variability in device behavior. Next one is network fluctuations. Then next one is changes in user permissions. After that, another one is localization and internationalization. Next is security vulnerabilities. Then next one is managing notification overload. 15. Best practices for continuous improvement. Do not miss out any. Regular updates and maintenance. Stay current. Monitor industry trends. User-centric testing approach. User feedback integration. Usability testing. Documentation and reporting. Comprehensive documentation. Clear reporting. Collaboration and communication. Cross-functional collaboration. Transparent communication. Exploring new tools and technologies. Tool evaluation. Adaptation. Finally, here are the key takeaways. Handling payment failure notifications during mobile testing. Importance. Handling payment failure notifications efficiently in e-commerce mobile apps is critical for providing a seamless user experience and ensuring successful transactions. Next is understanding purpose of payment failure notifications. Payment failure notifications inform users when a transaction cannot be completed. These notifications should provide clear information about failure and guide users on how to address it. Best practices to test payment failure notifications. First one is define test scenarios, scenario identification for all probable use cases coverage. Next is simulate payment failures by various simulated transactions and its impact in form of error codes and messages. Validate the notification content for content accuracy and test notifications in multiple languages and regions. Test user interaction and experience. Verify that notifications provide clear instructions such as notifications include buttons for retrying the payment. Handling common challenges. First one is inconsistent notification delivery. Next is unclear or insufficient information. Next one would be localization issues. And also another important challenge is security concerns. Finally, note down the key takeaways. How to test SMS notifications for e-commerce apps. First, understand objectives of SMS notification testing. And then go through the following are best practices for testing SMS notifications. Define test scenarios. Set up the testing environment. Simulate real-world conditions. Check content accuracy and formatting. Test delivery timing and scheduling. Check user interaction. Monitor and analyze delivery metrics. Ensure security and privacy. Test across devices and platforms. Perform regression testing. Let's understand common challenges in SMS testing and how to handle them. First one is inconsistent delivery. Next one is content formatting issues. Then comes privacy and security concerns. Then next one is opt-out management. Now let's get familiar with advanced test strategies. First one is using automated testing. Then load and stress testing. Then user experience testing. Then integration testing. After that, localization and internationalization testing. Then monitoring and reporting. Then compliance testing. Here are the key takeaways for SMS testing. Critical issues with push notifications for Ecommerce app. Understand the importance as explained below. Now let's go through the most common but critical bugs in push notifications. First one in the list is failure to deliver notifications. Go through below for problem details, its impact, and how to address it. Next one is incorrect notification content. Check out problem details, its impact, and solution to it. Next one is poor user experience with notifications. Find below nature of problem with impact and fix for the same. Next one is inconsistent notification delivery across devices. Go through below for problem details, its impact, and how to address it. Next one is security vulnerabilities. Here is explanation of problem, impact, and solution to it. Next one is notification overload. Find problem details, impact, and solution to it. Next one is failure to manage user interactions. Go through problem details, impact, and solution to it. Next one is insufficient localization and internationalization. Its explanation, impact, and solution to it is as below. Next one is timing issues. Find problem details, impact, and solution to it. Next one is broken notification links. Find below nature of problem with impact and fix for the same. Test strategies for identifying critical bugs. First one is comprehensive test coverage. Develop diverse test scenarios covering various notification types, user interactions, devices, and network conditions. Include edge cases like maximum message length, special characters, and international numbers. Next one is automated and manual testing. Automated testing. Use automated tools to simulate notification delivery and verify content accuracy, delivery status, and interaction handling. Manual testing. Conduct manual testing to assess notification design, content, and user experience, identifying issues that automated tests might miss. Then comes next real-world simulations. Simulate real-world conditions like network fluctuations, high traffic, and device changes to ensure notifications work reliably. Next to it comes user feedback and monitoring. Collect user feedback on notification experiences to pinpoint areas for improvement and address issues not identified during testing. Monitor notification performance and delivery metrics to detect and resolve problems quickly. Next one is security reviews. Perform security assessments to ensure notifications are free from vulnerabilities and handle sensitive data securely. Finally, here are the key takeaways. Critical bugs in push notifications can significantly affect user experience and overall app performance. Identifying common issues and implementing effective testing strategies will help ensure that push notifications are reliable, accurate, and engaging. Addressing these critical flaws proactively aids in maintaining user trust, enhancing engagement, and contributing to the success of your e-commerce app. Regular testing, monitoring, and continuous improvement are essential for delivering high-quality push notifications that align with your app's communication goals.